Wait, Shay. What happened? She's what?
Don't tell me you are just coming to the class. No, Mao. I am not telling you anything.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
There's no student in the class. Oh, Gladys. You will just wound yourself. Lórí àwọn ọmọ tó ń wúlò. Ó wà kó ṣeré ẹ léṣe in this no cash, no fuel, no money. You are just stressing yourself for no reason. Can you imagine? And who me? I was now trekking. I was even thinking of maybe if I carry this textbook to the class, I can sell it to one of them and collect cash. We are not doing trade that better in this class. Amosha, this textbook is not going home with me. It's not possible. I must convert this thing with cash in it because this Nigeria is now trade by barter. And there is no two ways about it. Whoa. I swear down, Olongbo, all of them will carry this course. They will still come back in the 40 years to come and do this course, and I will still keep giving them carryover. Because it has never been easy for me that I trek from my house to this school. The pain that I passed through to enter this school today is not easy. I was not begging people for no cash, no fuel.
Wait, Shay. What happened? She's what?
Don't tell me you are just coming to the class. No, Mao. I am not telling you anything. So, what's different? Are you not just coming in when I've been inside this class for the past 2 hours? More. If you see the kind of sufferness we have suffered today, because of this class, where they find new naira notes up and down. Okay. The money no day. No money, nothing. And if not because of the love that I have for this class, Mrs. Gladys, I wouldn't have come at all because the suffer is too much. And when the spirit said I should sleep, I said no. I must go to the class and achieve something in this life. Even if I know say na I go finally get. In this class, I must come today. That is why you see me. It has not been easy for me sef. I'm just trying all my possible best to share my people that I say that I will not go further, that my education will not go further. That's why I just have to say, okay, àforíjì ló lohun gbogbo. It is not easy for me. So wetin come concern me? Because you cannot say that I should be the one waiting for you guys in the class. No, it's not making sense. You are just doing as if you are the only one that this new naira note or maybe this new policy is affecting. Which I know the rain is raining everywhere. What if you guys are having test today? Ma, test will rather wait in you. Test in this kind of situation. In fact, take a sheet of paper and attempt this question.
Run.
Take a sheet of paper. Kill am for needle. Test me. Whoa. See, Mrs. Gladys, I will go and come back. Before I will come back, Balikis and Reseli, they go don come by that time. So all of us, we go now do the test together. After wait. Just, do you have new naira notes that we can share together? Just for passport. Mrs. Gladys, sunu class o. Say all this one. You mean all these new notes? When we say, I beg my enemy dánwò before I see this new note. I enter the bank, they push me, I push them. They throw me away, I throw them away. Except to go wave all my carryover. One carryover, one new naira note. Second carryover, one new naira note. Third carryover, one new naira note. Fourth carryover, in fact, everything will be yours. Ṣùgbọ́n wá sí eke wá àtẹ̀yìn gan ò dáa. You go dey shout, I go pay you. And Mrs. Gladys, you see this class, it is so spread enough for you to sleep. Kàn tẹ aṣọ lẹ̀ ni. You off your clothes, you don't use it to do bed sheet. You use that your nobody will disturb you in this class. Mrs. Gladys, bye-bye.
We must learn a lesson.
What a coincidence.